Hey guys, welcome back to Ford Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford F-150. We're talking about that generation year 2015, 16, 17. If you guys have one of those, you need to find where the engine starter fuse is located, which fuse you need to check, where to buy cheap fuses from so you don't waste your money, guys, and why it's important to test fuses and relays so you don't spend time and money on parts you don't need. Stay with us, we'll explain that in this video today. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car that we'll get here at the garage, we'll try to make every single fuse video and show you where it's located. Why we do that? Because if you're in the middle of the road, guys, in the middle of nowhere, and you need to find that fuse specifically, it will take you a shorter amount of time to just search for that video instead of looking for the manual in your glove box. And most of the times, people lose their manuals. And if you don't know which fuse, let's say, to replace for ignition coils, fuel injectors, fuel pump, you may be just stuck in the middle of nowhere. So that's why we are making all these videos, guys. We're constantly working here at the garage. We're taking things apart, as you can see. And if you want to check out, guys, we have 3 channels that altogether have more than 1.1 million subscribers. Okay, we have all the mechanical work there. This channel that you're watching right now, we're going to list, okay, the fuse videos here so we can save you guys time, money, and we can make it conveniently for you guys. So let's start on it now. So we'll demonstrate the engine starter fuse on 2016 Ford F-150 that we have here, but it should work for the other years as well. You have 2 fuse boxes, guys, but we'll need to work on in one of them that's located right under the hood on your F-150. If you open the hood, you will see that's the engine bay, that's the car battery there, and if you come towards the right side, towards the left side, right here, that's the fuse box cover. You open that cover and you're going to see a fuse box that looks just like that. Now, before we continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So guys, you can see you have different kinds of fuses, relays. Those could be really hard to find if you're in the middle of nowhere, if you're driving through a small town, or they can be really overpriced at parts stores. So we'll recommend to keep some spares in the glove box. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get some from at a good price and quick shipping as well. Check it out. We need to work in that fuse panel right here. You can see that fuse panel right here. And if we, guys, come in the middle row right there, and you start from the bottom to top, you'll be 1. Even if you have a missing fuse, you count it 1, 2. That second fuse, guys, the 30 amp fuse, is for the engine starter. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.